Caves everywhere. Uluwatu is sick. That's okay, I got it. I got it. How are you today?
Thank you.
We are going to David's surf house in Canggu.
Summer. Okay.
Cool?
Yeah.
All right. Thanks, man. We are now on our way to Canggu. We're gonna meet up with Max and Leah eventually, and then we got the grand final for the Aussie Rules football. Yeah, on Saturday.
Sorry, I didn't see that.
So apparently you just go and grab beer from that fridge there, and then you just write it in the book, and then at the end of awesome, and then at the end when you check out, you just pay. So oh well, I'm tired today. Okay, let's go. All right, guys, so there's a lot of animal noises happening right now this morning. We got dogs, we got roosters.
I think that rooster just laughed at us.
I think that rooster did just laugh at us, to be honest.
Oh no, I stepped on a frog.
You stepped on a frog? There's a lot of stuff happening right now. First day in Canggu. We did come here for a day trip about, what, 2 weeks ago? You guys probably saw it in the vlog. This place is so cool. It's just, you kind of come out from this lane and you come out onto this little kind of really chilled out road, and the vibe here is just so amazing. So the first time I came into Canggu, I wasn't really feeling it, but I really like it here now, and we've only been here for like half a day. Hello, how are you today? Oh, the flies are bad, hey? Well, Ralph, enjoy your lunch. It's nice to meet you.
Good mood.
She's late for her date with Ralph. So, trying to do a little coverage on the old tattoo. We're really falling in love with this place. It's so cool. Jess made a good point. She's said that it's probably a cross between like Gili T and Seminyak, where you're still on the mainland, but you get that Gili T kind of island vibe. We're just kind of adventuring around today, and so far we've locked in a couple of places that we might come later. And now just gonna cruise down and watch some surfing. Second day here at the old Dave's Surf Shop. I don't think this is the same one from yesterday, but I hope that it is a new one. The one thing that I will say that I'm not gonna miss is the roosters. There they are.
I'm so cute.
They are like, it's like they're having their own fight every day. It's like Fight Club next door. Now, not only that. Anyways, this morning we're off to the Grand Final. We're gonna go hang out with Max and Leah and some other Aussies, Jack and Jess as well. And they were telling me yesterday that in Australia they actually have a designated holiday that they take for the Grand Final.
Are you serious?
Yeah. I seriously think that if a Canadian team is in the Stanley Cup, like in the final, I definitely think that there should be a holiday for sure. Whoa, slipped. But don't you think, Jess, there should be a holiday?
Oh, of course.
But I guess it's gotta be like the 7th game or something, you know? It's gotta be, just be like every...
Well, it should be like if 2 Canadian teams are in it.
But then when's the holiday, right?
Well, the day that they play the Cup.
Say for example, if a team's up 3-0 and the team comes back 4-3, what are you gonna have a holiday for 4 days in a row?
It was just the Stanley Cup final.
Yeah, so just
But you just
game
wouldn't-
7.
Yeah, just game 7.
Yeah.
No, you just take the whole month off for the Stanley Cup.
No, but hold on now. There's an argument to be made here. What about if there is no game 7 and a team just runs the board?
Like it only goes to game 3?
It only goes to game 4, obviously.
Well, then the game 4 would be.
But how would they know? How would they know
Never
that?
know, it'd be different every.
Yeah.
Because you'd also, it couldn't be the same anyways because you never know if there's a Canadian team going to be in.
I guess it's just super subjective and this is a pointless conversation.
Check
This
out.
place is awesome. We went to this place last night. This place is called Baraka. We had some epic pastas. In fact, we tried to eat them with the helicopter propellers from my drone that I lost because we didn't have any to-go cutlery, which was absolutely hilarious. Pretty sure those are strings. What criminal mind can penetrate a fortress of security? Perhaps a butter knife? Maybe your teeth? Maybe even 2 spoons rubbed together very fast. What's up, dog? Oh no, wait, that's... Alright, Max. So, started the second quarter. How are you feeling about the game?
It's getting close, but I'm hoping it stays close and I'm hoping Richmond wins. But by the time people see this, the result will be... So I might look like an idiot or a fucking genius.
Has he got the ball? So he can't tackle it. Oh no!
The whole bar is basically Richmond supporters, except for this small table in the middle full of Adelaide supporters. The age of the table for the Adelaide supporters is probably like 75. So they scored last and it was like a golf clap. It's like...
predicted it, right? We did. It was awesome. Like, it was a fairy tale. Technically they shouldn't have won.
So, what now?
You know what, I did not think this far ahead.
Yeah. We might go dance around on one leg in the street for a bit.
That's a good idea. What he said.
Go try and uproot street signs from their concrete foundations. I don't know what's gonna happen, but
Yeah, chaos in Canggu.
yeah,
They went on a riot.
Chapter 2, Chaos in Canggu.
Stay tuned.
Stand by. Fuck, I'm hungry. I wonder what the menu has. What All right, so Grand Final's over. Team that everyone wanted to win ended up winning. So now it's party time. Alright, so Max and Leah were gracious enough to have Jess and myself back at their place. We're upstairs in the loft right now. I just missed a step, to be honest. There's a lot of steps, that's fine.
Yeah, it's so funny.
These are the beautiful, beautiful people that we're hanging out with.
Attacking
Jessica, Leah, Matt. What's your name again? Unreal.
Just looks like a bunch of lights in the house. It does. But like, for real?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is how you survive
Hey, Scorpion.
on the island.
This is... this is worse
How you
than...
doing? There you go.
How the...
We're all good. We are all good.
Yeah.
That's a lie.
Yeah, we
Get the f out of here!
we don't need to do that. We've got
But what about the volcano?
We're gonna feel really bad when it literally does go off. So, we've decided that... I think I'm wearing this actually backwards.
You are.
Oh, fuck.
Is there a pink side?
I'm just gonna wear it, whatever. So,
You're covered.
in case our little our friendship session has any germs, that we're gonna cover ourselves
Well, we know
accordingly.
Max has like.
How are we gonna drink? We didn't think this through.
So we've had a bit of a laugh and had a few beers at our villa, which is $20 a night, by the way. So, you know, the team is ready to go out, but guess who isn't ready to go out? Follow me. Oh my girlfriend.
Hey Leah, how's the water?
Yeah. Guess who went? I'm done.
How's Teen Mum season 3?
No way!
Old school reality Netflix shows.
All right, I'm trying to conceal this as well as I can, but oh, here comes Max. Hold on.
And I just did a shot with some of the locals.
Now we're literally in some random live band bar, and there's no Westerners here. Max is trying to look for the bathroom. I'm trying to hold my camera down like next to my leg because I feel very uneasy right now. I feel like I might even get attacked. I don't know, but it's gone very quiet all of a sudden. We had like 100 people's eyes just look at us as we walked in, and they're like expecting us, I don't know, maybe to just leave immediately, but I felt very alienated. It was a very weird situation. I'm just gonna do a pano. We're still getting looked at. It's just a very strange, eerie feeling. But Jess, how does it feel to be a minority finally?
Very new.
Yeah, weird, right?
It's kind of refreshing, so now I know what everybody else feels like.
Unbelievable day with a bunch of legends all around. What an amazing time to hang out with a bunch of Australians on Grand Final day. I'm eating Jess's pasta with my drone props again. Hey, whatever. Obviously we couldn't film this, but We did get pulled over by the police. Basically, they were just asking for like driver's licenses. I do have my international driver's license. However, I had left it in our place. So I was trying to like plead with the officer saying, you know, let me just go grab it. He's like, I'm gonna give you a ticket and you're gonna have to, and we're gonna confiscate the bike, or we're gonna like hold the bike as collateral until you pay the ticket in front of a court in Seminyak or Kuta or whatever it is. Or classic, and I'm sure that some of you guys that are watching this know the whole trick of the trade is that you just like kind of give them some cash. So I was really worried. Now, the most ironic part about this whole situation is that Jess and I were under the impression that we were gonna get pulled over at some point in our trip in Bali. I mean, we're here for 2 months. So what we had done is we had actually taken all of our cash and put it aside, and we had taken like equivalent of like $2 Canadian or maybe like $5 Canadian and put it in our wallets. And what happened was the cops pulled us over and I pulled out my wallet and I was like, hey, this is all I have, and I thought that was gonna be sufficient. So he's like, no, that's not sufficient. You have to like, he was gonna give us a $500,000, I keep doing that, 500,000 rupiah ticket. When I kind of showed him my wallet and I showed him how much or how little cash I had, at that point he was like, okay, I just need 200,000, just give me 200,000, you can be on your way. At this point, he had actually pulled over a whole bunch of other people as well, all Westerners. I kind of reached into our bag and eventually pulled out 200,000 rupiah from the place that I had in the bottom of the bag and gave it to him, and we were on our way. So, funny part is Jess tried to film it and she pulled out the GoPro. The cops
Freaked right out.
They freaked out.
They just like walked up to me and like instantly put their hand over the camera, and I was like, I've never shook so much in my life. I'm like, they're gonna take his GoPro.
It is terrifying because you're in the middle of like nowhere. I'm kind of wondering whether or not if I even had the international driver's license, whether that would have even been valid, to be honest with you. But regardless, we paid our 200,000, which is only actually $20 Canadian. All is good. I just warn all of you guys that travel to Bali, get an international motorcycle license, or driver's license, I should say. And bring it with you. Don't be an idiot like me. Don't go through all the hassle of getting it and then just don't bring it with you. I mean, that's... Anyways, what an epic day. It's finally come to an end. I'm gonna enjoy my second day of pasta with my drone prop sticks. Because we still haven't gone and got cutlery, or I hope you guys are enjoying the vlogs because I am so enjoying making them. So stand by, we have a lot coming up, so much exciting stuff coming up in the vlogs. A couple of months in Thailand, which is gonna be incredible. We have a 2-month visa. We might go to Cambodia early. I have a small inclination that we probably are gonna go to Cambodia a little bit earlier than expected, but I haven't even told Jess that. The funny thing is she's sitting right there, so now she knows, but but anyways, love you guys. Peace out, take care.